This video explains how to buy shares of Mj Gleeson Plc, a UK house builder and land regeneration company listed on the LSE PLC under the ticker GLEL. This is for educational purposes only and does not constitute financial advice. To trade, you'll need a broker. We'll use eToro as an example to demonstrate the process. After registering, you must verify your account, usually by uploading an ID, and add funds before you can buy. Use the platform search bar and type the ticker GLE.L to find the company listing. Confirm you select Mj Gleeson Plc on the LSE to make sure it's the correct stock. On the asset page, you'll see a brief company description and the price chart showing recent trading. Double-check the company name and LSE listing to confirm this is the right stock. To place an order, click Invest, enter the amount you want to buy, review the order details, and confirm the trade. If the market is closed, your order may be queued until the next session, and if you don't have enough funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before confirming. After the trade executes, your position will appear in your portfolio. Find the eToro link in the description if you want to open an account and practice the steps.